If you've been seeing ads about a so-called miracle nerve pain solution called Nerve Flow, you're probably wondering if it really works or if it's just another scam supplement. And that's exactly what we're going to uncover in this review. Nerve Flow is heavily advertised online as a breakthrough formula that claims to soothe nerve pain, burning, tingling, and numbness by using something they call a Japanese red vitamin, supposedly discovered by Dr. Kenji Sato. But here's the first red flag. Neither the vitamin nor this doctor exists anywhere outside of their marketing. The ads make it sound like you'll get instant relief from neuropathy, better circulation, and restored nerve health. But when you take a closer look, the story doesn't add up. The ingredients in Nerve Flow, things like turmeric, B vitamins, and alpha-lipoic acid, are not useless. They may provide mild support for nerve and overall health, but they are not a cure for neuropathy and certainly not the miracle solution they're being hyped as. On top of that, there are plenty of real customer complaints online pointing out hidden auto-ship charges, no refunds when requested, and many people saying they saw zero results even after finishing multiple bottles. Another issue is the fake reviews and shady marketing practices. Several so-called doctors endorsing this supplement are AI-generated or stock photo actors, and the formula itself looks nearly identical to other nerve pain supplements that keep popping up under different names every year. This strongly suggests that Nerve Flow is just another overpriced bottle of herbs being sold with big promises and false hope. At the end of the day, it's not entirely useless, but it's also far from the miracle cure the ads make it out to be, so it's important to know the reality before spending your money. If you still want to check out the product for yourself, the link is tagged in this video.